Hey baby, I just want to say hi. Just got home not too long ago. I'm texting you now. I don't know, just want to make you a video because I don't know, I like making videos for you. So, yep. Just want to tell you I love you and you mean the world to me. You really do make me happy. You're a good person, Derek, and making fun of me because I spelled true wrong. Butthead. Still love you more though. And that Mountain Dew is okay. Okay? There's better Mountain Dews out there than that one. Just saying. Well, love you more. Just no arguing that. I do love you more. You might think you love me more, but no, not the case, honey. Thank you for all the videos you've made me. They make me really happy. And they really cheer me up every time I see your face and hear you talking. It's great hearing your voice. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I'm really excited. Just being around you, hugging you and holding you. It's really good. I gotta go, okay? Love you. Bye.